Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli from Government Bangalore College, Pali, Associate Professor in Zoology. Today under immunity, we will talk about innate immunity. Immunity is the ability of the body to defend itself against disease-causing organism. The defense mechanism of the body are complex. Despite constant microbial challenge from the environment, the body prevents infection by a number of non-specific and specific mechanisms working on their own or together. Everyone's immune system is different and it varies with age. There are many factors which affects the immune system. Immune system in our body has two kind of defense mechanism: innate, which is non-specific, and acquired, which is specific. Innate immunity, the immunity which occurs by birth, is called innate immunity. It is also called natural immunity as it is independent of previous experience. Innate immunity is non-specific type of defense. Innate immunity is provided by various components such as skin, mucous membrane, phagocytic cells, etc. Innate immunity acts as first line of defense for particular microorganism. Now, what is acquired immunity? That immunity which develops during lifetime by exposure to suitable foreign agent like microorganism is called acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is pathogen specific and it is characterized by memory. Acquired immunity is provided by antibodies and certain T lymphocytes. Component of acquired immunity such as antibodies and T cells are specific to a particular microorganism. Therefore, acquired immunity is also called specific immunity. Now we will discuss about component of innate immunity. The innate immune system is made up of defenses against infection that can be activated immediately once a pathogen attacks. The innate immune system is essentially made up of barriers that aims to keep virus, bacteria, parasites and other foreign particles out of our body. The innate immune system includes physical and chemical barriers such as skin, gastrointestinal tract, the respiratory tract, the nasopharynx, cilia, eyelashes and other body hair, and secretions such as mucus, bile, gastric acid, saliva, tears and sweat. Second is cellular component of immune system. Cells of immune system or phagocytic barrier such as neutrophils are considered to be the first responders that attack foreign cells in the body. Polymorphonuclear leukocyte (PMNL) neutrophils are the granulocytes that are characterized by the presence of granules in their cytoplasm. Neutrophils and macrophages circulate through the body. Both cells can eat bacteria and also communicate with other immune cells and thus provide innate immunity. Then there are other cells which are called natural killer cells or NK cells. They are large non-phagocytic granular lymphocytes and are named for their ability to kill abnormal host cell. They account for 5 to 10% of all lymphocytes in the circulation. Cytokines. The term cytokines is derived from a combination of two Greek words, cyto meaning cell and kainos meaning movement. Cytokines are proteins produced in response to microbes and other antigens that mediate and regulate immune and inflammatory reaction. Cytokines play a main role in natural or innate response by means of direct action of mechanisms against the invading agents during the early stage of infection, or by means of immune modulatory mechanism which activates NK cells and monocyte macrophages, which then induce the release of cytokines. Last is complement protein or blood protein. Complement protein activate other proteins in a domino fashion, resulting in a cascade of reaction which attracts phagocyte to the site of invasion, binds to the surface of microbes to ensure WBCs can phagocytosize the microbes and produce holes in the bacterial cell wall and membranes. Thank you.